Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to view all the shared media, like photos and videos in a messenger group. If you've ever tried to find a picture someone sent days or weeks ago, this quick guide will help you locate it in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything looks and works correctly. Once you're in, go to the chat list and select the group where the media was shared. You'll see all your recent messages, but we're going to focus on finding the group details. Next, tap the group's name or the group picture at the top of the screen. This will open the group's information page where you can manage members, settings, and review everything that has been shared. Now, look for the option that says View Media, Files and Links. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to a new screen showing three main sections: Media, Files, and Links. These organize everything that's been shared in your group so you can easily browse through it without scrolling endlessly through messages. Tap on Media to see all photos and videos that have been shared within the group. Everything will appear in a gallery layout, letting you preview, open, or download the files you need. You can also scroll to older content or tap any image to view it in full screen. It's a simple feature, but it's incredibly useful for keeping track of memories, work files, or anything your group shares regularly. No more endless scrolling to find that one picture or video. You now know exactly where to look. And that's it. You've just learned how to view shared media in any messenger group. If this guide helped you out, consider checking out more of our quick tutorials to help you make the most of your favorite app.